Here's an overview of the marketing and representation you can expect when I put your home on the market. Hi, I'm Maury Atkins with Hanna Real Estate Services. I've been serving my clients in Charlottesville and all 7 surrounding counties since 1990. That's a long time, and I've learned a lot along the way. I will use my decades of experience to help you navigate the home selling process and to help you identify most problems before they ever happen. My company, Hanna Real Estate Services, is the #1 family-owned and operated broker in the country. We are continually provided with cutting-edge tools that help our sellers get maximum market exposure. Here are the essential elements that form my custom marketing plan, with a specific focus on your home and the features that will attract the biggest pool of buyers. My desire is to show the internet world the specific features that you've enjoyed and that will attract the next available buyer. It all begins with high quality, well-lit, and inviting photographs that show off the true beauty of your home. In today's real estate world, you deserve far more than an MLS entry and a couple photos. A recent Zillow study showed that 81% of home buyers would be more likely to visit a home if it had a floor plan that they liked. As part of my photos, my videos, and my measurements on your home, I'll also include a custom floor plan that will go online with all of the inputs. Are videos important? Well, here's the most recent data. 73% of homeowners prefer agents who use video, according to the National Association of Realtors. Video listings attract up to 157% more traffic, according to Luxury Presence. And finally, 51% of homebuyers now use YouTube to explore their properties. All right, once again, I hear that. I have created a local YouTube channel, the Charlottesville Real Estate Guide. It attracts multiple viewers every day, and I'm constantly publishing new and interesting videos. When I list your home, I produce and publish 2 separate YouTube videos. One is branded and one is non-branded. This is important because the non-branded video can be picked up by Zillow, Realtor.com, and many other search engine sites. And with the branded video, I get to have a little more fun and really spend time focusing on the features of your house that are going to drive the next buyer to that home. After my branded and non-branded videos are fully published and online, I then follow up with a YouTube short, Facebook posts, Instagram posts, a Pinterest pin, and then your home will actually be featured on my Google business page as the latest update. Soon after your home is listed, I'll send out a just listed postcard mailout, which actually has a QR code on the back of it where people can actually just with one click pull up all of your photos and all of your details. We also cover local real estate publications like the Real Estate Weekly, and I'll send you an update when your home is scheduled to appear. All in all, I want every available buyer to be able to find your home easily, and when they see it, it's going to be shown in the best light possible. After the marketing phase is complete and we're actually moving forward to closing, I promise to keep you in the loop and to give you superior communication all the way to closing. That includes regular updates, coordination of inspections, and preparation for your move out and signing of all documents needed before closing. And I always want to make sure that you have an accurate estimate of your closing costs and your net bottom line so that you will have no surprises as you approach the day of closing. I want to make your home selling experience an enjoyable process. Helping you negotiate best price and terms is the obvious first step. But what is vitally important is the value I bring to the table in helping you to understand the process. I will help guide you through this journey so that every step along the way, you'll know you've got a trusted team member who has been there before, many times. And thank you for your consideration.